Hello and welcome to Technical Tip Tuesday. This week's tip is how does 360 imagery reduce disputes or supplement estimates?
Capturing with 360 is super quick. From it 20 seconds a room once you really get it down. And from that, you are capturing multiple things at once. You're capturing every single 360, high and low, full sphere. So you can always come back to that. It'll reduce site visits later. It'll also, um, the way DocuSketch creates our floor plans, where you're capturing all the information in that 20 seconds as well. So you can quickly send that up and know that that's accurate. The way that we do that mathematically, trigonometry, all that fun stuff, is highly accurate. It's currently better, more accurate than LiDAR. LiDAR is making leaps and bounds all the time as well. But the accuracy that we capture in that time is great. So you can be rest assured that the measurements that you get back after a DocuSketch sketch is created are accurate. As well, you've got the 360 to always go back and rely on. Again, I encourage you definitely to do multiple walkthroughs on every job, as in 3 days later when the equipment's placed or after demo. Just layer those on so you'll always be able to support what you put in your estimate, because you can then share that image or tour even with the adjuster or reviewer who's ever asking questions. So that's a huge one for us.